Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another tips and tricks video in the Irish GR Sport. I've had a nice question asked tonight. It's quite a simple one. It's about tyre pressure monitors. When you get your car, this screen shows up and it will say at the bottom, where mine says PSI, it will say bar. Right, to change that from bar to PSI, if you scroll down to what looks like a little cogwheel and then scroll across on the buttons to where it says vehicle settings, push the button that says OK in the centre of the scrolly. So you push OK and hold it, and then scroll down to tpws settings, push the OK button again, and this menu comes up. Scroll down to setting pressures, click OK again. This is where you change. I'll change mine now. I'll put it into bar to show you. It's in bar. Let me totally back out. And here, this is how you'll receive the car when you get it off Toyota. It'll be set in bar. Right, back to the little wheel. Scroll across, vehicle settings, push OK and hold. Come down to tpws settings, push OK and hold. Come down to setting units, push OK. Scroll up to the setting you want. Press OK. I've set that back into PSI. Back out. And as you can see here, it's changed to PSI. That's how easy it is to change from bar to PSI. The manual doesn't explain it very well. The question was asked by Graham VFR. Thank you for asking the question, Graham. It's a good question. And I did promise you I'd make a video on it. So here's the video. Thanks for watching another tips and tricks video by North Wales Side by Side. If you like this video, please click like. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks very much.